If you work in the technology industry, you'll know the importance of good visual design, also known as UI design. As more companies place value on high-quality interface design, being able to talk knowledgeably and fluently about UI has become a valuable career asset. The Professional Certificate in Visual Design is a unique university credit-rated course that has been designed to help build your skills and grow your confidence in this critical area. Whether you're a UX professional looking to broaden your skills, a project leader taking ownership of a design, or a designer looking to specialise in UI, this course could be a smart move for you. As with all courses from the UX Design Institute, you'll learn a university standard syllabus presented to you in a series of bite-sized videos. You'll have regular sessions with a team of mentors, and you'll be able to share your experience with a small community of fellow students. You'll learn design from the inside out, putting your knowledge into practice during a guided step-by-step assignment. You'll acquire the skills needed to design high-quality interfaces. You'll develop a sharpened sense of what makes good UI work. You'll develop the confidence and the vocabulary to manage and steer design projects. You'll be able to communicate clearly with designers, developers, and clients about visual design. And you'll earn a university credit-rated certificate valued by employers globally. Everything you need to become a more valuable, more effective professional.